So guys, welcome back to another exciting video, and today I'm going to be showing you a trick on instant virtual. Now this time around we are going to be using golden virtuals. Now it's still instant virtual, okay, but we are going to be doing it on golden virtuals. So we'll just go straight to golden virtuals and we'll just see how the trick works. Okay, so let's just be patient for it to load, and as it is loading, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make videos like this, you'll be among the first people to make use of it while it is still active. Okay, so that being said, let's go to the trick. Now we have clicked on our golden virtual. We are now in the golden virtual interface. Now you go to instant virtual. These ones are live. Okay, these ones are scheduled virtual, but you just click on instant virtual, which is this one, instant. Okay, instant football, right? So let's go. Now the trick is like this. You pick any league. Now we are going to be playing with the 4 leagues. Is it 4? Like we're going to be playing with this. We may play with this one, but let's just play with this 4 because I like playing with just the 4. Okay, so we'll go to England. Now the trick is this. Now we have, now in golden virtuals you have a league table. Now we are going to be using the league table to place our bet. So now the trick is we'll be skipping our games and we'll be watching the top team, that is the first team in the league table. Now if the team can manage to hold that number 1, like if it can manage to hold the number 1 position for 4 times, for just 4 times, then once it loses the number 1 position, we stake on it to win, home to win or away to win. So that being said, let's go straight to the trick. Now we have Liverpool here. We'll go to next. We have Man City. Guys, be watching. We have Man City. Now Man City has held the position for 2 times. Okay, so let's go again. We have Man City for the 3rd time. Okay, let's go again. Man City for the 4th time. Now Man City is now qualified, so we'll wait for Man City to lose that first position, then we'll start with Man City. Okay, let's go. We still have Man City as first position. Okay, Man City is still on first position. I thought I missed. Okay, Man City is still on first position. Man City is still on first position. Wow. Okay. Wow, Man City is leading. Like Man City is very strong. This. Okay, now Arsenal is now in first position. So Man City has lost its right as the first position. So that's will stake Man City to win or Forest to win. Though the odd is around 1.17 to 1.31. Yes, 1.17 to 1.31. I guess so. So we'll now play with remember Man City, and remember we have Arsenal there now. So we have Man City. Okay. Why error? Wow. Why error? Okay, let me just use this. Okay guys, let me just leave the remember we have Man City, right? We have Man City, so let's go. Okay, we'll go to our instant, and remember we have Man City. Okay, so we'll go to our double chance and play our Man City. Okay, and let's watch the game. See guys, I'll just keep this match so that we'll have chance to play more than one or two. Okay, so let's just keep the game. And okay, we have won this game now, so we'll go back. Remember, we have Arsenal. Okay, we have Arsenal. So let's check. Arsenal is still there, so Arsenal has regained it, retained the position the second time. Arsenal is still retaining it the third time. Then if Arsenal retains it, now Arsenal has retained it the fourth time, so we'll just wait for Arsenal to lose that position. Okay, wait for Arsenal to lose that position and we'll stake. Now guys, I like it when I lose the first game, because once I lose the first game, I'll stake everything I have, like everything. Though it's because it's accurate, it's active now. So don't just stick with everything you have. Like what I mean by everything I have, like everything I deposited in SportyBet, not all the money I have. Okay, so just take responsibly. But it's actually the for now, once it lost, you get one loss, the chance of getting the next one is 99.9%. I will not say it's 100%. I will not say it's 100%, because though I've not lost at all. But okay, now Man City has retained it, and Arsenal is now has lost his right. Okay, so we'll go again, and I'll stake 110 on 10. Okay, why is this? Okay, let me just pause the video and go. Okay, so now we are back. Let's go. It's Arsenal, right? So Arsenal, we'll play our Arsenal. Okay, so I'm playing with 110. So 110, 10 done. So we'll then play. Like I said before, once I lose once, I'll play with the remaining 1100. Okay, so I'm going to be skipping this game because I think time has gone far, so I'll skip the game, and we won this one. So let's try another one and see. Now we have Man City, right? Man City, no, Arsenal is back. And remember, we have 38 matches. How is it called? Oh, we have Liverpool, yes. Okay, so we have 38 events. Yes, we have 38 events. Liverpool has retained the second. No, Man City has taken it back. So Man City again for the second time. Man City also Liverpool. Man City. That okay. Arsenal. I don't think we'll get the Man City. I think this will be the last one. Liverpool, no. So we have exhausted this event. Now it's now back to 0-0. So we'll now leave this one and go to Italy, and we play it again. Now because of time, I'm not going to be playing another one, but I will just explain verbally, sorry. Now if you lose, there is 99.9% chances of winning the next game. So I want to show you proof of what I'm saying. I started this Okay, this is 8. Now I'm going down to the last. Let me start from the, no, let me not start from the top. Let me start from the bottom, from 8, because today is, I started it 9th, on the 9th, yes, November 9th, on Thursday. Okay, and I'm making this video today, which is Thursday. Okay, now we are now here. Now I started it with this. I won this, then I lost this. You see, guys, then I used the 1100 to stake, and I got this, right? Now I started winning again, then I lost here. I used 1100 again to get this. Okay, then I lost this. I used 1600. That is, I used the total of what I got here. Now I started winning, then I lost here, so I used this. Okay, now I started winning again. Then I lost this one. Then, because I withdrew 1000 naira. Yes, so I said, let me just start again. Let me just start with a little amount of money, so that let me check if I can build up the stuff. So I started there, and look at what I'm getting. Can you see, guys? Built it to this. I lost this. I made a mistake here. Actually, this one, I made a mistake. I was actually going to play all, but I don't know what happened, so I said, let me just continue. Okay, can you see, guys? I will only lose once in this trick. As of today, I have only lost one. I have not lost 2 in a row. So guys, make use of this trick while it is still active. Okay, so take care, and I need your honest review. Please share it. Just comment what you think of the trick, and if you've used it and it worked for you. If the trick does not work for you, just put it in the comment section, and I'll look into it and see how I'll update the trick for you guys. But for now, it is working for me, and I pray it works for you. Okay, so take care, and God bless you all. Bye bye. Till we see again with another trick. Take care, guys.